Okay, I think I got it when she was pulling it out. Now she's filling my tank. Sometimes I feel like a car. I'm getting my morphine pump filled, right? I'm empty and now she's filling it with the morphine. This medicine too. Keep me comfortable.
And this morphine does have like a slight little yellow color to it. Just ever so slight.
You know, I noticed like when I first get it filled.
You feel better?
I feel better, but I also feel like I'm sleepy.
A lot of people say that.
It's not like a big euphoria, but it's kind of like
a rush?
Yeah, like a rush, and then it makes me sleepy.
A lot of patients say that.
And then people ask me, like, do I feel high all the time? I'm like, no, it's not like you're sitting there getting high like a drug. It's just like a medicine.
Yeah, they don't understand that.
Yeah, it just kind of maintains the level of controlling my pain. Basically,
Yeah.
But yeah, the first day or two, it's like I'm just real drowsy, kind of like.
And then some people say the first like 3-4 days, their pain is like at a 0.
Yeah, it does. That's weird. It's almost like like when you're in the hospital, like if you go to get a shot because you're in a lot of pain. You get that euphoria, and then it kind of calms. But it takes the pain away right away, and then it kind of levels off. So you do everybody in just this one day a week?
Like today I have 4 people. I'm seeing 4 people. Like last week I think I had 8 or 9 people.
Whoa.
Yeah, it was busy. All right, you are good to go. I don't even have a shorts container in here for Pete.
Oh, wow.
Mercy.
Well, for some reason I'm not turning, so I guess I'm just going to say we are done. And, you know, my anthem, be kind, be nice to someone. You never know what people are going through. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.